realize it was going to do a 30-foot burnout.
Did you not pay attention to the driver meeting?
No.
Welcome to Octane Addicts TV. I'm your host, Matt the Camera Guy, and today we are talking autocross. Recently, I had the opportunity to ride with Sean Ballinger of EMF Autos. Got the invite to see what this McLaren could do. But first, let's talk about the Highland Sports Car Club. Go to their website, hscc.club.com, and visit their website for all of their rules, their membership dues, and anything else you might want to know about this organization. But in a nutshell, if you have a valid driver's license, a car, and you like going fast, this may be the place for you. So if you think you have what it takes, become a member, come on out to the Highland Sports Club events, and let's see if you have what it takes to be number one. So my buddy Sean Ballinger invited me to one of these HSCC events in his McLaren. First of all, y'all know Sean from EMF Autos. He's a talented sports car guy. He works on these things all over the country, and he invited me to see the performance of this McLaren.
Because apparently it's just going to be a rolling ass burnout on this surface.
Yeah, she didn't hook up last time.
You can't hold on to it during the run.
Huh?
You can't hold on to it during the run.
I can't?
Nope, it has to be mounted to the car.
Well, that sucks.
Did you not pay attention to the driver meeting?
No.
Yeah. So I don't know if it was because he was holding it or not, but you hear the guy next to us that said they were looking for his phone.
Looking for his phone?
Yeah, because the passenger's phone flew in the car somewhere when he was running. I don't know if he was holding it or if it was just like in his pocket or something, but they were looking for his phone in his car because it flew off. They could hear it in the car. Did this leave actual like tire marks for the length of the burnout?
Like when you left?
Yeah. I'm curious how long
yeah.
It felt like 20, 30 feet.
I mean, it's smoking. It's smoking.
It felt like 20 or 30 feet that it just wouldn't grab, and then it finally did.
No more launch control off the line.
Yeah. I didn't realize
it was going to do a 30-foot burnout. I thought it was going to maybe slip a little bit. Never grip. Yeah, I was like, what the hell? Okay, now we're good. Yeah, the surface is not fantastic for that. Yeah, that was fun.
There it is.
That was fun. Yes, sir. All right, Sean told me not to record. I recorded anyway. Sean, that was fast. I am very impressed with this McLaren.
Now if I can just get the tires warmer.
Well, you got 2 more to do it.
This is what, a 34.7?
Yeah, 34. Fast as shit.
Yeah, I could tell the difference in the tire warmth. It helped a lot. And I did
honestly say that's the fastest I've ever been in corner.
I mean, there's more in it.
It's like a go-kart.
Yeah, there's more in it.
This thing is awesome.
As you can see from my reaction, that McLaren is one hell of a ride. It is one hell of a car. And if you ever get an opportunity to do it, I suggest you do it. The performance of this car, there is nothing street legal that should be able to do the things that this car does. The power to weight ratio, the way this thing corners, it is just something badass. So again, if you think you got what it takes, go to the HSCC.club.com, get you a membership, come on out to the track, and join us for some autocross fun. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, leave us a comment on some of your autocross stories. We will see you next Thursday at 10:30 a.m. every week this year in 2023. I'm Matt the Camera Guy. We'll see you next week, and always, y'all stay safe.